Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel again. So what's up today? Easy level problem again, I guess. Lead code 144 binary tree pre-order traversal. I guess this is the same as previous. We have to do it iteratively as it challenges, and we can do it in recursive method as well. Let's first develop the recursive method and then try to do it in the, what do we call it, iterative way. So what is a pre-order traversal? Let's see. 1 2 and 3, 1 2 4, and then 5 6 7, then 3 8 and 9. Okay, we have to put it in the left side one first, so let's define a DFS. If not node DFS of DFS of let's see, this is it or not. Sorry. Mm, 3 2 1. One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, and 9. Well, this is it. So let's keep ns equals to an empty list and append values to it. And let's return ns. Well, seems like it is working fine. Let's submit it and see the iterative approach next. This is working great. So let's do the iterative approach now. As we have learned previously, like yesterday, what's happening here is we go left and left and then back and then right. Four, 5, 6, and 7. So okay, so let's see. Let's make a stack. Current equals to root. Here it's stack dot append current dot left. So we go to the leftmost 10, 1 and 2 and then 4. Then what? Now the current is none. So we'll pop a value from the stack. We'll append so we go to the 4, we add value 4 here, and there is no right or left, so we go back. We'll add 2. Turn answer. Does not read right. Okay, got it, guys. Now this shall work. Well, seems like it is working fine. So let's submit and start discussing the intuition for this one. Great, it is working fine. So let's start discussing the intuition. The intuition is simple, guys. We had a stack and an answer. Like we established a stack and an answer, initialized them, and we have a pointer current pointing to the root, and we are iterating over the root. We are going far left possible, and as soon as we hit the node, we are taking its value as we go left, and we are taking the leftmost node's right value. Here 4 didn't have a right side value, so the leftmost value will, like the leftmost will be this one, 6. So we take 1, 2 and then 4. We'll come back, we go to the 5, we record 5 and then go left, we go back, record 7, we pop again, we pop again, and we add value, like 2 is already added, so we pop the 2, we go to 1, 1 is already added before, we go right, we go right again and then left, and as we touch each node we record the value here. To be clear, we add, like, let me dry run it. We touch the first node, there is the left node, so we go to left and add the value to the answer. We'll add 1 to the answer and then touch 2. We add 1 and 2 to the stack and 2 to the answer. We touch 4. We add node to the stack and answer to the, like, value to the answer. And since this didn't have any right or left, we pop the value. Current will be 4 now. Current does not have right, so we come again here. We pop another value. We go to 2. 2 has right, so we go right. So current dot right 5. Now this while loop will check for all the left nodes. We go to 6 and there is nothing here, so this while loop will break. We'll add 6 to the, like, before going to 6 we add 5 to the answer and then we hit the 6. We add 6 to the answer, then current will be none. We pop another value which is 6. 6 does not have right, so we pop the 6 and go to 5. 5 has right. 7 does not have left, so we'll add 7's value, and since it does not have left it will be none, and we'll pop the 7 as well. Seven does not have right, so we go back, and when we come here we pop 5. Wait a minute. So since 5 is already popped, we have 2 in the stack. We pop 2 and go to 1. Well, it is a bit complicated, so let me print this out. Like sts equals stack 1 equals 2. Now let's add values to the stack 1 so that you can see. Oh, sorry. So this is how it goes. We add 1, 2 and 4. We pop 4, we go to 2. And now we go to right. We pop 2 and go to 5. And then 6. We pop 6, go to 7, like pop 5 and add 7. We pop 7, we will have 1. We go right. 3. We go right again. 8. And then we go left. 9. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that we'll get a better reach and we can make our content far more efficient and easy to understand, and upvote it so that we will get a better reach. Thank you for choosing the channel again. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard, guys. Thank you for choosing the channel again, and Goodbye.